Hello guys, so this is the 79 steps in Arochukwu ancient kingdom. It's located in Amanabo village in the ancient kingdom of Arochukwu, Abia state, Nigeria. The steps, a staircase of exactly 79 steps carved into the hillside leading to a natural pool and the waterfall.
Let me see if I can go through these 79 steps. So let's count it actually. Anywhere I go and I get tired, I come back. See, it's very fast. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But let me show you guys downwards actually, so you can know that I am not cheating. So guys, I know the fear. I know just I go fit go. Except I see person will give me more. Okay, so someone has agreed to follow me. So let's see if we can go. Whoa! So I'm still going down the 79 steps.
Historically, the steps were part of an abandoned British water project but are now a tourist attraction. The site is also connected to the long Juju slave route. It is also located near the Otti Oracle.
Okay, so guys, we finally made it. See my tour guide. See, this is my tour guide. I finally made it to the 79 steps. Let me show you guys. Say hello to my subscribers.
Hello. Good afternoon. We are in 79 steps in Arochukwu, known as Arochukwu.
Arochukwu.
Yeah, Arochukwu.
Okay, so let me show you guys the steps so you guys can know that yes, truly. So I came from up there. And now I'm down here in the water.
It is a 20-minute hike to reach the waterfall. The area is surrounded by lush greenery and a serene atmosphere. Visitors are advised to wear comfortable hiking shoes when coming to the waterfall or the 79 steps. So this right here you're seeing is just like a pool. If you want to see the waterfall video, it's right here on my channel. Just scroll down and you will see it.
Okay, so we are going to be taking this other step here now, back to where we came from, right? Okay. Easy. Okay.
How many steps?
79 steps. Yeah, so we made it. Whoa. I'm so exhausted.